So every great once in a while, I get zero sound through my Firestick. Even if I turn up, turn down the volume, and make sure that the mute is not muted and it's unmuted. And it's a really easy fix. So all you want to do on your remote control is click on the home button, go back to the home page, and now we just want to press and hold that home button until you get that. We want to scroll all the way over to settings, click on settings, go down to My Fire TV, scroll down, click restart, scroll over to the left and hit restart and let it do its thing. You can see right there it's powering off. It is restarting right now, and there you go, the sound has come back on. So there you go, just a quick tip. If you lost sound, you don't know why, it is not your TV, it's more likely your Firestick. Go ahead and restart that Firestick. And just to double check, I'm going back to my YouTube TV, and you can hear that sound loud and clear. Thanks for watching, folks.